Hi there, it's me, Rodi. In this speaking practice, I will be speaking or talk about programming. So, the importance of programming. And I will start reading this article about the importance of programming in kids. Okay, let's begin. To code has become an essential skill in today's digital world, and is no longer limited to adults or professionals. Increasingly, kids are being introduced to coding at a young age to foster their development and equip them with valuable skills for the future. The most important skills is problem solving. To code nurtures problem solving skills in kids. It encourages them to approach challenges from different angles, find innovative solutions, and persist in facing obstacles. By coding, children become more resilient and adaptable, learning that mistakes are growth opportunities. Okay, that was the article. So, I would like to speak about me. And the first question here is, why did I start programming or to code? So, when I was young in high school, I always watch YouTube video about games. So, I wanna be so me and my friends wants to make a game, and I start looking or reading some articles about how to do a game, and I found an article that said that I can make a game by programming. I remember that the language the article was recommend me was game maker language. I learned it, but we don't make the game. We just let this like this, like an idea. So I started programming because I want to do a game, but the the years was passing, and I I get interested in web development. So I wanna have app web, but for me, for example, I will say you what is an app web or an application web. An application web is a, a web that solves a problem. For example, there are a web for English students about all the words in English, how to pronounce, what this word means, and how you can use it. So I want to have application web like this. So this was my first purpose for to learn how to program or how to code. So the next question is, what I have been learned about programming. So as I read in the article, the best thing that you can learn in programming is problem solving. Yeah, problem solving. I remember when I don't know how to programming. I remember when I didn't know how to programming, then I get a problem. The problem it wasn't big. It just was a problem, a small problem. It was all. So, but in my mind, it was really big. But when I learned programming, I realized that the problem have a time, and I will explain you what happened, or, or, or what is the meaning of the time in programming. So, imagine that you need to build an application web about colors. You want to show all the colors in this world. So you don't know how you will get all of these colors. And probably you will get mad or you will get scared because you don't know how to do it. And that's okay, that's right, no worry. The problem always will come, no worry, that's okay. But the thing here is, how do you solve this problem? You know, how do you solve this problem? The best way for to solve a problem is to take the time and think about it. For example, if you need to get all the colors in the world for to put in a web application, you should start thinking and take the time for to see all the options that you have for to solve this problem. So take the time for to think in a solution for to solve this problem. This is the meaning of the time in programming. Alright? So this was the first thing that I learned in programming. To take the time for to solve a problem and to think just in solution. For example, if if you wanna get all the colors, you probably are thinking, oh my god, how do I will get all the colors? Or if I forgot a color, what I will do? No worry about that. No worry. Just focus yourself in the solution. This is the only thing that you need to have in your mind. The solution. That's all. So, what you will do? You will get a notebook or your PC and you will write all the solution that you have for to solve this problem. In this case, the problem here is to get all the colors in the world for to put in a web application. What you will do, or what you can do, you can do a list of all the color. You have an intelligence, you have ChatGPT, so you just need to ask you just need to ask to ChatGPT for all the colors in this world. In this notebook, you will do a list of all the solutions that you have for to solve this problem. That's the meaning. So, and then the other question is, why does I think that programming is the most important thing in this world, and why all the kids or all the people should learn how to programming? As I said, problem solving is the best thing in programming. And if you learn if you learn how to solve a problem, you will be in another step in life. So, ima- imagine that all your family have a problem, and the only people in this family is you. Okay, no, no. I will start again. Imagine that in your family there are a problem, and the only people that know how to solve this problem with the right way is you. because you know how to programming, because you in programming have practice with a lot of problems and you realize how to solve any problem in your life. That is the best thing in programming, to solve a problem, because programming is problems. A programmer always see a problem, and if a programmer see a problem, he will see a solution for this problem. Believe me. And this is the thing why I think, and this is why I think that all the people should learn how to program, you know, for problem solving. If one people learn how to solve a problem, I am truly sure that we will get a better place. So imagine that all our kids, so imagine that all the people or all the kids that is living from the schools know how to programming, know how to solve a problem. We will get a better place. Because before to do something really bad, this person or these people will know how to do the thing in the correct, in the right way. You know. Okay, this is the end of my video or of this practice or of this speaking practice. This is the end, and I feel like I am improved myself in speaking. You know. See you in the next speaking practice.